Welcome to Bluesystem Properties space. I am going to make a bold statement. Nigerian and African real estate right now in 2026 represent one of the most powerful investment opportunities available anywhere in the world. And I'm going to prove it to you with facts, numbers and real market data in the next 6 minutes. My name is Esumonu Charles. I represent Bluesystem Properties, and whether you are watching this from Lagos or London, Enugu or Edinburgh, Abuja or Atlanta, this video is going to change how you think about real estate investment. Subscribe if you want weekly free content on Nigerian and African real estate investment. Now, let's get into the data. Let me start with some global context. Real estate markets in the UK, USA, and Europe are currently experiencing significant changes. Rising interest rates have made mortgages more expensive. Property prices in many Western markets have plateaued and declined. Rental yields have been compressed by high purchase prices, and regulatory changes are making property investment more complex and less profitable in many developed markets. Meanwhile, in Nigeria and across Africa, a completely different story is unfolding. Africa is home to the world's fastest growing population. By 2050, Africa will have over 2.5 billion people, more than China and India combined. Every one of those people needs somewhere to live, work, and do businesses. This creates a fundamental and sustained demand for land and property across the continent that has no equivalent anywhere else in the world. In Nigeria specifically, the country has a housing deficit of over 28 million units. The urban population is growing at over 4% per year. Infrastructure investment is accelerating across multiple states. A rapidly expanding middle class is creating new demand for quality housing and commercial space every single day. These fundamentals create exactly the conditions that drive consistent and sustained real estate appreciation. And unlike mature Western markets, where appreciation is measured in single-digit percentages, Nigerian land in strategic locations has been appreciating between 30% to 200% over 5 years period. Let me put that in perspective for international investors. A plot of land purchased in a strategic Enugu corridor for the equivalent of £3,000 5 years ago could today be worth the equivalent of £9,000 to £15,000. That is a 200% to 400% return on investment. Show me a Western real estate market that can match that. For diaspora Nigerians and international investors, there is an additional and powerful advantage that most people overlook: the exchange rate. The naira has weakened significantly against major foreign currencies in recent years, which means that for someone earning pounds, dollars, or euros, Nigerian land has never been more affordable in foreign currency terms. You can currently buy a verified 500 square meter plot of land in one of Nigeria's fastest growing real estate corridor for approximately 3,000 to 8,000 in British pounds, approximately 4,000 to 10,000 in US dollars, approximately 3,500 to 9,000 in euros for less than the cost of a used car in most developed countries. You can own a piece of one of the world's fastest appreciating real estate markets. The exchange rate advantage, combined with the underlying appreciation potential, creates a genuinely extraordinary investment opportunity for diaspora and international investors. So why now? Why is 2026 specifically such an important time to invest in Nigerian real estate? 3 reasons. First, price is still accessible. Strategic land in Nigerian's fastest growing corridors is still available at price points that will look extraordinary in 5 years. This window will not stay open forever. 2, infrastructure investment is accelerating. State governments across Nigeria are investing heavily in roads, utilities, and public infrastructure, directly driving and appreciating in surrounding areas. 3, the exchange rate advantage is at a historic level. The combination of naira weakness and local appreciation creates compounded return opportunity that is genuinely unique to this moment in history. If you are a Nigerian, African, diaspora investor, or international buyer who want to access this opportunity, Bluesystem Properties is your trusted partner on the ground in Nigeria. We identify the highest appreciation opportunities. We verify everything. We protect your investment completely. And we serve clients from anywhere in the world. Visit our website at bluesystemproperties.com or reach us through WhatsApp 091 6126 5029 to begin your investment journey. Like this video if it was valuable. Share it with every investor you know and subscribe for weekly free content. Bluesystem Properties, building trust, delivering value. Thank you for watching.